Hi friends, today we're gonna go over some fundamentals of Swift. So we have three like data types in our Swift. One is class, one is struct, and the third is enum. So class you can think it is just a collection of methods. Struct is like a fundamental data type is used for that, and enums are only for, so it's like a switch. You can take it like that. It's kind of like switch, very close to switch. There are similarities that the function variables, these are similarities, instantiations. The differences are inheritance. So you will realize that the classes are the only ones that you can inherit. That means you can like inherit the class, make changes to it, and then you can uh, perform the new tasks. Whereas in enums and structs, it's not possible. Introspection and casting, so that is also possible only in classes. Like if you get an unknown class, you can introspect it for different classes, compare it, and then check like which class it is from. Value type, so we say it's struct and enum are value type. That means you have to actually copy it from the memory block and then paste it somewhere if you want to play with it. Whereas classes are reference type. So these can be think of just as a pointer. So the class can be somewhere in the memory on the heap, and then you can have pointers at all different places to save memory, to make it more dynamic, to make it faster, a lot of stuff. So struct and enum, as we just went through, value versus references. So struct and enum have to be copied, have to be sent, have to be received. They are immutable if you assign it to value. So struct is mostly for fundamental types. You will see like ranges, and when you draw images. Enums are mostly for like for switch, like when you want a value to be just those values. That's when you use enum. References store in the heap, reference counted. So choosing which to, so you usually go for a class every time usually. Methods obviously. So what's a method? Method is just a bunch of code that will be executed at one time. Code types, instances, and stuff.